What's your name? Why were you at this hospital? Do you feel like this is your home?
Relax. I don't know, let's go find out.
I don't know, but let's find out.
That was awesome, is what it was.
Oh, that door closed. One of the magnets let loose, that's all.
What?
One of the electromagnets let loose on the door.
Is somebody over there?
Hello? It's the electric magnet, dude. It popped.
Nice.
Yeah, the electric magnet
That
will go to
was
the door.
awesome. That was.
Because those are active. Watch, put the EVP up there. It'll light up right away. See?
You tell me.
So let go of the door.
Well, we weren't recording that, were we?
Let's go over here and do one down here. Let's just make sure there's no one down here, no windows or wind or. What's that?
A lot colder.
Yeah, it is cooler.
So did we even hear the breathing? I didn't hear
No, we didn't get to the breathing yet.
I heard myself freaking out when the door slammed. There you go. Yeah, maybe just right in the down,
right here,
right in the
this
damn
hall
middle
right
here.
here?
Yeah. This also right here.
Yeah, it's really cool.
It says it's the same temperature as it was over there.
Liar. Your equipment's a liar.
Alright, here we go.
It's out.
Ask him to do it again.
Yeah.
You want to talk?
Yeah. Recording here, sorry.
Kill those lights?
Recording in the hallway.